Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click at the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Now you can click on Set Wallpaper right away and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. You can also click on this gear at the top right corner. Click on I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. You can even click on presets at the top left corner. Select the best one for you and hit Yes in the Load Preset pop-up. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back, click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. In my case, home screen only. So when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!